Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll complete a lot of questions from Marasr book talk about geometric and algebra. Look at with me about question number 1. The number z equal 2 multiplication by omega plus I multiplication by omega power 2 plus I. We can use a calculator to find the result. We know omega equal negative half subtract by root 3 over 2 multiplication by I. We can use this calculator to find the result. And omega power 2 equal negative half plus half. Omega equal negative half plus root 3 or negative 3 over 2 I. And omega power 2 equal negative half plus root 3 over 2i. You can use a calculator to find the result about this. Okay, and I will solve it with you, but you can find the result in your calculator as you like. Okay, I can write here 2 omega times omega power 2, it will be omega power 3. Omega times I, it will be omega I times omega, it will be omega power 2 times I, omega power 2i. I times I power 2 here. And we can write 2 outside here. Omega power 3 1, omega I plus omega power 2i equal negative I, and omega power 2 equal negative 1. Negative 1 cancelled by 1, so the result will be z equal negative 2i. It's z. Here we write in the exponential form. Exponential form, it's meaning what? It's meaning write the number here. Look at here. We know it will be 2 multiplication negative I. Where negative I? It's negative I here. And theta angles equal negative by over 2. So the result will be 2 multiplication e power negative by over 2i. So the result will be 2 multiplication e power negative by over 2 multiplication by I. Where the result? Letter P. Choose letter P. Next question here is z equal 1 plus cosine 40 plus I sine 40. Find the principal amplitude of z. Okay, you can use a calculator to find the result. Very complex program. Okay, or you can find the result. We know cosine. We must cancel one here. Thinking with me. Cosine 40 equal what? Equal to cosine power 2 of 40. Subtract by 1. Do you remember this rule or not? From secondary 2. And sine 40 equal to right here is the half of this angle, right? 20. Okay, half of this angle. And sine 40 equal to sine 20 cosine 20, and this rule. So in this example we can simplify it. Z equal 1 plus cosine 40. Cosine 40 equal 2 cosine 20 minus 1. Okay, here plus I multiplication sine 40. Sine 40 here equal 2, right, I here, and 2 sine 20 cosine 20. We can cancel negative by positive here, then z will be 2 cosine 20 plus right here I, right 2 here, and I sine 20 cosine 20. You can write cosine 20 outside coefficient and write 2 between them, so the result will be here. We have cosine power 2 20 here, because cosine 40 equal to cosine power 2 20 minus 1. Write cosine 20 outside coefficient and 2, the result will be cosine 20 plus I sine 20. Okay, it's a number. He asked about what? Principal here, it will be equal 20. The result 20. This is angle. He asked about principal amplitude of z. Principal amplitude of z equal 20. 20, okay? Then 20 will be by over 2. By over what? Over 9. 180 divided by 9 equal 20. Choose letter B. Next question here, in the extension 1 minus 1 over x, subtract x bar 2 all power 9 according ascending power of x if term 5 equal 12 term 4, then x equal. Okay, we can find the ratio between term 5 and term 4. The result will be 12. We know the rule, 9 subtract by smallest plus 1 over the smallest term, multiplication the second term by the first term equal 12. We get us the result. You can simplify it here. 9 minus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 over 4 multiplication by negative x power 3 equal 12. 12 times 4, 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Again 4 times 12, 48. 48 divided by 6 equal 8. Then negative x power 3 equal 8. Then x will be negative 2. Cubic root about this number. The result will be negative 2. Shows letter B about this example. If 7 CR greater than 1 and RC5 greater than 1, then factorial 6 minus R equal space. We know 7 CR greater than 1, it's meaning R here will be what? Will be, ask it about yourself about greater 1, you must write any number less than 7, such that 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, and 2. Don't write 1. Or 1 as you like, but don't write 0 or 7. It's R. It's the first of information, and he get us R C5 greater than 1. But don't write R here less than 5. Let's write 4. It's wrong here. Don't write 4. Okay. Don't write 4. Don't write 3. It will be 6 or 5. If you put it 5 here, look at here. R will be 6 and 7 and 8, but R will be 6 here and here. It's common between them. Then R will be equal 6. He won't find factorial out 6 minus R. Right here, factorial about 6 minus 6 equals 0. Factorial 0 equal 1. Which was letter B.